हेलो एवरीवन। उम्मीद है आप लोग ठीक होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे डेटा एंट्री इंटरव्यू के टॉप 10 क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स के बारे में। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कैन यू टेल मी अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस एज अ डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर? जवाब है यस सर, आई हैव ओवर 2 years of experience entering, verifying and updating records in MS Excel, Google Sheets, and company database. My daily work involved handling invoices, inventory records, and employee details. For example, in my last job, I manage over 500 records per day while maintaining more than 95% accuracy. Question number 2, how do you ensure accuracy while entering data? जवाब है I follow a check twice, save once rule. First, I cross check data with the source document. Then, I use Excel features like spell check and data validation. For example, if I am entering product quantities, I set the cell to accept only numbers so typing errors are avoided. Question number 3, what is your typing speed and accuracy? जवाब है my typing speed is around 55 to 60 words per minute with over 95% accuracy. I believe speed is important, but accuracy is more valuable because even one wrong digit in a price or ID number can cause major issues for the company. Question number 4, which software tools are you familiar with for data entry? जवाब है I am comfortable with Microsoft Excel, Word, and Google Sheets for spreadsheet work. I also have experience using ERP systems like SAP and Oracle for updating records, which is common in Gulf companies. Question number 5, how do you handle repetitive tasks without losing focus? जवाब है I break the work into smaller sections, take short breaks to refresh my mind, and follow a checklist. For example, if I have 1000 entries, I will finish 200 at a time, then review them before moving on to the next batch. Question number 6, how do you manage deadlines when there is a large amount of data to enter? जवाब है I prioritize urgent work first, set many deadlines for myself, and avoid multitasking. If needed, I am open to working extra hours to make sure the company's deadlines are met. Question number 7, how do you handle confidential or sensitive data? जवाब है I follow company policies for data privacy, never share login details, and keep my workstation locked when I step away. For example, in my last job, I worked with confidential salary data and ensured it was stored securely in the system without saving any copies on personal devices. Question number 8, can you explain what data validation is in Excel? जवाब है data validation is a feature that controls what type of data can be entered in a cell. For example, in an expiry date column, I can set it to accept only dates, so users can't enter text by mistake. This is very useful to avoid data entry errors. Question number 9, how do you remove duplicate entries in Excel? Answer, I select the data range, go to the data tab, and click remove duplicates. After that, I review the cleaned data to make sure only unwanted duplicates are deleted. I also sometimes use the COUNTIF formula to check if duplicate entries exist before removing them. Question number 10, what would you do if you find a mistake in data that has already been processed? Answer: I would immediately report it to my supervisor, correct it in the system, and check related records to make sure no other mistakes are linked to it. For example, if an invoice total was wrong, I would recheck the quantities and prices to make sure the correction is complete. ये थे डेटा एंट्री इंटरव्यू के टॉप 10 क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स। उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपकी तैयारी में हेल्प करेगी। वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कि आपको अगली वीडियो कौन से टॉपिक पर चाहिए।